Hello once again folks, Perno Benedetto here with another minor update video for all of you with the Dakota Riverbends version 0.9.1. Let's dive in, shall we? For starters, let's head over to the DRB Discord under server logs and read this together. Alright, and now that we're here in the Discord, let's check out some of the new features. New Blackwater Town Square layout, new Blackwater Public Market added, created an exit from the clothing rooms if you get stuck after relog. Now let's move on to changed features. Moved Blackwater job board location, moved Blackwater library location, moved Blackwater dog and farm shop location, change keybind to study animals to stop any issues with shooting your weapon. Added features, new limited timed items to saloon menus for St. Patrick's Day, more cards to sell in player collector market menus, promote to talk to stranger mission givers, options to drink cup of milk, new features to train drivers in NDT menu. Removed features. Removed the voice range on-screen UI in the bottom right of your screen. Removed a few NPC camps from around the state. New Dakota map cleanup project. Minimize the icons to make it more simplistic. Remove many map icons of in-town services. Remove red blimp from market prompts. Alright, there are plenty of bug fixes as well with this update, and if interested, please make sure to keep an eye on the Dakota Riverbend Discord server logs section. Let's check out some of what we just read together out for ourselves, shall we? I hope this was helpful to anyone and everyone that is interested in the Dakota Riverbend casual roleplay server over on the Redm platform using Red Dead Redemption 2 on PC. Please like the video and subscribe for more educational content, update coverage, and so much more on the DRB directly. Check out our socials and content creators as well. Links will be in the description.